Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, judges. Let us introduce you ourselves. We are from the Sync² team, and I am Rakhshan Muhammad Afinuddin as the leader of this team, and this is my partner.
My name is Vino.
And we are a 9th grade from Istemcc 5 Bandung, and it's a honor to stand before you today to share our innovation ideas. And let us present to you Zafa,
Deployable zone architecture for lunar and Martian exploration portable assembly capability.
So, before we explain our innovation, let us provide some background why we created it. So, the Moon and Mars have a very rash condition like high radiation, very cold temperatures, and a thin or no atmosphere, making it hard to build safe homes. The long distance and high cost to send materials from Earth are also a big problem. Bigger size material requires higher cost of transportation and deployment. That's why flexible buildings that can be deployed and adapt to the environment are very important to help humans live there with lower safety risk and lower cost for deployment. So that's why we made Zafa. What Zafa actually is, Vino?
Well, Zafa is an architecture that made for increasing efficiency of research in the Moon or even in the Mars. Zafa made with best quality materials so that made Zafa can adapt with the environment in the Moon or the Mars. Besides that, Zafa also made with advanced technology that make easier life for the astronaut.
So for the component for our innovation, the first one is of course Arduino Uno for the brain of our innovation. The second one is ultrasonic sensor to detect astronaut that will enter to the mission living quarter. It's used for the automatic door. And the third one is 3 servo motors. So the first 2 servo motors is to open and close the structure, and the third one is to open and close the automatic door. The fourth one is an LED indicator to give signals to the astronaut that the structure is still opening or closing, and the fifth one is a 4D frame to represent the structure and the mechanism.
If the astronaut want to go inside of the building, the sensor will detect the astronaut and give the signal to the Arduino Uno, so the Arduino Uno can open the door using the servo.
So for the product design or the interior design of our innovation, there is 3 rooms. The first one is a bedroom, so the astronaut can rest or socialize, and if they want to go to the restroom. And the second one is a lab for a research purpose in the Moon. The third one is a storage room that includes food, water, oxygen, weights, and medical kits. And for the mathematical concept for our innovation, the first one is a measurement and geometry, the second one is logic and algorithm, and the third one is the concept of kinematics and mechanics.
And for science concept, we also have 6. High energy for the transportation, the second one is atmosphere, the third one is radiation, the fourth one is temperature, the next one is energy, and the last one is recycling. And for the conclusion of our product, the Arduino controller portable structure with sensor and servo motor provide an efficient automated solution for building adaptable habitats on the Moon and in the Mars. It enhances safety and usability while addressing environmental challenges, supporting sustainable outward living.
So for the recommendation of our innovation, the first one is to use more complex mechanism to get more compact module for transportation. And the second one is to use local material to improve durability and reduce earth dependency. And the third one is to add more sensor for environmental monitoring. And the fourth one is to explore renewable energy source for power.
And this is the reference that we got from Google Scholar for our innovation.
So that's it for our presentation video. So before we want to close our presentation, we want to give you some pantun.
Jalan-jalan ke kota Kediri,
Cakep,
pulang bawa oleh-oleh tahu.
cakep.
Sekian presentasi dari kami. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.